Hi, Hannah Bueno. How are you? 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop moaning. Say, shut your pie hole, Ski. Say, shut your pie hole. Shut your pie hole, Ski. Yeah. Tell him, shut your pie hole. There's the little wagon. Lucy, are you going to go for a ride in the wagon? She go, wee, wee. She looking out the window. She go, where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? I'm in the wagon. I want to go for a ride. I want Hannah to go for a ride. I want to watch Hannah go for a ride in the wagon. All right, Lucy, when she comes over, we'll give Hannah a ride with the doggies. Okay, that sounds good. Where is she? Where'd she go? I don't know, Lucy. She's at home. Oh, he gonna shut his little pie hole now. He got bones. Say hi, Georgie. Say hi, Abby. Where's little Ruby?
Here.
Ruby.
She's hiding out. Right there.
Where? Poor little Ruby. Oh, there she is. Come here, Ruby. She wants a kitty cat treat. Give Lucy one first. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Say, get out. Get out, Rocket. No more Rocket. Get out. Get out of here. Get out. Get out, TikTok. No more TikTok for you, Cosmore Snakes. TikTok and Rocket are closed. No more. And get out. Get out, Nap. Nap, go find something to do by yourself. Go, Nine. Go find something to do for yourself, Nap. And TikTok and Rocket. Hannah said, leave me alone. She said, go find something to do. And leave me alone. All right. Hello? Who's this? What? Mrs. O? What do you want, Mrs. O? Oh, okay, I tell her. She said to drink the water. Here we go. Getting refreshing. All right. Make sure to twist that cap close so water don't get everywhere. All right, here we go. Oh, little Bosco, what's wrong? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, Bosco. She'll be over soon. Here, baby. Baby goes, wee, I miss Hannah. What's wrong, little baby? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, baby. It's okay. And then over here. What's up, Mickey Mouse? I miss Hannah. Oh, don't cry, Mickey Mouse. She'll be back soon. Monkey. Wee! What's wrong, little monkey? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, little monkey. It's okay. Bear go. Wee! What's wrong, Bear? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. She'll be back soon. Lion go. Wee! What's wrong, little lion? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, lion. Here, unicorn. Wee! What's wrong, little unicorn? I miss Hannah and I want to make a video for Hannah. You do? What song do you want to sing? I want to sing the bus go beep, beep, the car goes beep, beep, the train goes beep, beep, beep. All right, we'll do that song for Hannah. All right, that sounds fun. Okay, let's go find Michael so we can do hide and seek. Michaels, time for hide and seek. All right, here you go. I'm going to go hide.
Okay, go to it. All right, then. First thing we got to do is start counting. There we go, then. There's our 1, 2, 3. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right there. Okay. All right then. Then we gotta start looking around. Okay, which way did she go, Lucy? Which way did she go? What about back here? Nope, nobody back there but Scout. All right then. Well, what about over here? What about over here? Nope, she's not over there. Okay then, once again. Well, let's take a look in the bathroom here. Once again, we'll take a little sneak peek in the bathroom here. Boop. Nope, she's not in there. All right then. It's kind of a small place, so there's only just about one other place we can go. Oh yeah, here we go.
Here we are.
There we are.
All right.
Okay
now
then.
Michael's turn to hide.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Here you go, Michaels. Okay, we're going to hide now and look for Michael Unicorn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we come. Let's see. Is he over here in the corner where I was hiding? No, not here. What about over here in the hall? Nope, not here. Where's Michael, little Abigail? She goes, I don't know. Do you know where Michael is, little Lou? She goes, no. What about you, Georgie? Do you know where Michael's at? No. Let's go look in the kitchen. Is he in the kitchen? No. What about under the chair? No. What about over here? Scout, do you know where Michael's at? He said, I don't know. Let's go look over here. And there they are. All right. Now we're going to do, there's a fire over here. And then we go, ho, yo, 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 ho, yo, yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Ho, yo, 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 ho, yo, yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? Ho, yo, 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 ho, yo, yo. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? All right, you do. Say there's a fire.
All right, here we go.
In the middle of the floor.
What's that? Who's that? And that right there.
All right, now we're going to do the song. Okay, we're going to do song. What song do you want to do, Unicorn? You want to do beep, beep, beep song. Okay, here we go. Car goes beep, beep, the car goes beep, beep, the car goes beep, beep, beep. The truck goes beep, beep, the truck goes beep, beep, the truck goes beep, beep, beep. The bus goes beep, beep, the bus goes beep, beep, the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The train goes choo choo, the train goes choo choo, the train goes choo choo choo. The boat goes choo choo, the boat goes choo choo, the boat goes choo choo choo. The helicopter goes around, the helicopter goes around, helicopter goes around the ground and round and round. Yay, let's do it one more time. That was short. All right, here we go. One more time. There it is. Car goes beep, beep. The car goes beep, beep. The car goes beep, beep, beep. The truck goes beep, beep. The truck goes beep, beep. The truck goes beep, beep, beep. The bus goes beep, beep. The bus goes beep, beep. The bus goes beep, beep, beep. The train goes choo choo, the train goes choo choo, the train goes choo choo choo. The boat goes choo choo, the boat goes choo choo, the boat goes choo choo choo. The helicopter goes around, round and round. The helicopter goes around and round and round and round. Yay! Hannah's looking forward to that one.
That one was kind of shorty, huh?
Yeah.
Right, that's it then.
Say bye.
See ya.
Here we go. Fuffle, fubbe. Fuffle, fubbe. Fuffle, fubbe. Give you kisses. A blow and a hug. Yeah, and video is closed. Okay, love you, B. Bye.